What's up, guys? Right now I'm going to show you a simple way to install a truck toolbox that works on most trucks, and it's really simple. The truck we're going to be using today is a 1998 Chevy 1500 pickup. This is what it looks like. So I purchased this box at Lowe's. I think it was around 200 bucks. It's a KOBALT brand, but it's not actually made by KOBALT. If you look here, it says Better Built. That's the company that actually makes it. Yeah, so this is a way to install it without having to drill into your truck bed. What you need to get is these right here. They're little J-hooks. They sell them. I got this at Lowe's when I bought the box, and you can also get these at Home Depot or at any hardware store. And you're gonna put them right in these holes right here. The box also comes with these little foam pads here. That way you don't mess up your paint. This truck had a different box. That's why there's a hole there. So I'll go ahead and show you how to get this J-hook on there. So what you're going to want to do is line your toolbox up correctly, the area you want it. And then you're going to take the J-hook and force good enough, one here, one there, and two on the other sides. You're going to put it down here like that. Make sure you buy a washer. And the size I got, this J-hook takes a 10mm little nut. And then you're going to come through the bottom and put this hook under the bed rails, and then you're going to pull it up like that, and then just tighten down that nut like that. And then just do that on all four of them. And then there you go. Then it's bolted down, ready to put your stuff in it. If anyone's interested in the price of this box and stuff, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for Lowe's website. It's cool because you can actually just go on their website, order the box, and then they'll actually pull the box, bring it to the front. So when you get there, it'll be ready for you. You just go in, pay for it, and the box is already pulled for you. Most of their toolboxes go from a small size, a medium size, and a large size. I think this is the large. I think they would consider this truck a large. I bought a small before, and that was for a little Toyota Tacoma truck I had, like a 1998. And then also had, I think, a medium, which would fit like a newer Tacoma, like in like a 2006 and up. And then I think this body style is considered large. But all you gotta do is just measure your truck bed, and then go in there, and you could measure some of the boxes, or just look at the measurements on their website. So yeah, there you go. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to see more videos like this, or videos on this truck, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.